got the 143 kit on it. Ooh, we might have found ourselves some good trails here. Oh yeah. Oh no, that drops off really quick actually. I'm honestly surprised how much this stock tire kind of, I'm not going to say it grips, but it gets by. I just found the phone. Yo, you're welcome.
What? Oh shit.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
I saw that. Oh, it came out the RAM mount. Uh-oh.
There's no way.
Uh-oh. The RAM mount malfunctioned the first time.
That's why this shit's here. So you can do this.
Get that little, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it ain't coming out now.
Yeah, that's probably smart to do for trails.
So as far as I know, he's on stock tires as well. I'll check when we stop again. Ooh, front wanted to wash out a little bit right there. Fits. Whoa! Tire got slippery. Braking is not great, but other than that, she's getting her done, and braking really isn't that bad. These are kind of tight trips. We got a creek crossing. Oh, I'm gonna go over here. Ah! Oh yeah, she's climbing logs. Creek crossing part 2. Let's go right here. Oh yeah, easy. Big roots. Oh, I know where we are. Okay. We got the lake right here. Uh-oh.
I don't know, man. What just happened? Think I just blew my top end?
I hope not, but maybe.
Might have.
Uh-oh. That ain't pretty.
White smoke.
smoke on motorcycles.
Well, we're gonna figure this out. It ain't smoking bad anymore. Woo! Yeah, it's a lot better. So just let it idle for a second, seeing what's up with it, if the top end was blown or what. It seems like it's not really smoking like it was, so maybe it was just on its side doing that. I don't know. It's wet right here. Yeah, this is it.
How's it looking?
No smoke at all.
It must. Sounds fine.
You gonna run her?
If you see anything, let me know.
I will.